ISTE Standard A2 states digital age learning culture create, promote, and sustain a dynamic digital age learning culture that provides a rigorous and relevant and engaging education for all students. This course encouraged me to create digital products that are rigorous, relevant, and engaging to all students. This standard was embedded throughout the assignments. Using Adobe Premium Pro, I was able to edit a video and add specific changes, so I created an outline of each change and compared the features of related programs. This assignment was built on the knowledge of requesting copyright consent prior to using or editing a video. Below are examples of how I use Adobe Pro to edit video, showing how to trim a video or compress a video, and how to blur a face in a video using Adobe. This information will help me in the future and students in the future to have digital age learning opportunities that provides relevant and engaging education for students. Let's take a look at the videos that I created in Adobe Pro. The first one is about how to blur face in the video. Over how to blur face in a video. Today we're going to be using Windows Movie Maker. For step one, we're going to import our video to Windows Live Movie Maker. And to blur our pictures using this video editor, the first step is to launch it and to import the video that you will be using with this project. So that is just how, or it's just one example of how I met the standard. This video will be helpful to students to learn how to blur a face in the video. This information is relevant. It's reflective of what students are interested in as far as using technology and new technology as a part of their education. Now let's take a look at the second video that I created. On the second video, it talks about how to trim or compress a video. Let's take a look. The first thing you will need to do is to download and install the version of Microsoft Windows Movie Maker if you don't already have it. The second thing you will need to do is to launch the Movie Maker by navigating to the Start menu and selecting all programs in the Movie Maker. So that is just one other example of how I met the standard as well. Also, I have a standard that I want to talk about. It was ISTE Net Standard A5. And this one states digital citizenship, model and facilitate understanding of social, ethical, and legal issues and responsibilities related to evolving digital culture. Multiple assignments throughout the course emphasize the need to model and facilitate understanding of social, ethical, legal issues related to digital culture. There are several tools I utilize to meet these standards. I created the Fair Use Prezi as well as the multimedia presentation on Weebly. These artifacts of learning help me to model and facilitate understanding of the issues related to an evolving digital culture. Let's take a look at this artifacts as well. Below is the link to go on and see my multimedia presentation or class about multimedia. And this one is the Prezi that I created about fair use doctrine.